Hi guys, it is boiling hot up in here, but I'm finally getting around to filming this video. It'll probably take me longer to actually edit it and upload it, but you probably saw from a haul that might have been ages ago by now, but I bought some new Tan Beauty stuff and I'm finally getting around to trying them all out, like in stages. I've already sort of tested out and reviewed the Obsession warm up palette, but I'm going to be using that for like transitional shades today because I'm going to be trying out glitter. I'm so scared. And then the second Soph lipstick that I didn't use before. So yeah, let's talk a little bit about this. So this is the Hot Pursuit palette. I haven't even opened it yet. Also got the glitter glue, obviously. So it's in a little sleeve like so. It's got a nice texture to it. You've probably seen this by now. I don't know why I'm acting like it's all brand new. It comes with a mirror, which was amazing, and some lovely shades. I hope it doesn't fall onto my leg. So I don't think I'm going to do any swatches because by the looks of things you need a glitter glue down to do the swatches, because I think I swatched it in the store and it was like really crumbly. You have to have something sticky to have it down. So my eyelid is tacky from concealer to prime my eyes, but I do want to set it and do my eyeshadows and everything first. So I'm just going to go in with some random colours that I'll point out to you from the Warm Up Obsession Makeup London palette. I'm going to start with Crave all over the lid, which is a little bit of a grey beige shade. Learnt my lesson because last time I think I used this right up to my brow bone, but it was too like dark. So I'm going to go in with a Bone shade from Revlon. I think it's literally called Bone, and it's barely, shoot, there was barely anything left. Now it's gone, so that can go in my empties. Let me see if I can dust around the edges, see what I can suck up. Suck up and do something with it. Alright, well that's done. I've dropped the remaining of that all over my leg. Luckily there wasn't too much in there. It was like getting all gritty, so I was like breaking it up to make it more powdery, so that's why it fell off my leg. Oh my god, there's still more. Oh, okay, what a mess. Right, that's done with. Now I've got bloody eyeshadow all over my palette. Oh, this is so annoying. Let's continue on, shall we? I think I'm going to go in, actually I don't know what colours I'm going to be using from the glitter. That's a weird face I did. I think I like the look of Inflamed, which is this really weird duochrome shade there. I'll just go with a dark, something dark in the crease. So I think I'll go with Power next. Might do a spotlight eye. I don't know. We shall see. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger. I'm gonna take Twist, which I'll show you in a minute, on more of like a packing brush. So Twist is a dark brown there. Oh, got itchy nose. Ooh. And I'll bring that in here. Fake freckles on today. I feel like I haven't done that in ages. To be fair, it's really hot today, so I'll probably just sweat off in a bit. I'm just switching brushes to blend that out. Tapping a bit more into Power just to make the blend more seamless. Ooh, I dipped into the wrong one. Dipping back into Twist again on the fluffier brush just to bring gradually more depth into it. Well, at least I'm trying to. I feel like there's a bit up here that's just not blending, but hey ho, I'm trying my best. I'm back on with that stiffer little brush here. I'm just taking a mix of Power and Twist under the lash line. I'm not going to do any halo eye under there. I'm literally just going to smudge it all down. On that same brush, I'm just dusting it off with my little colour switch thing, and then wiping the rest off on a wet wipe so it's a little bit damp. I'm going to go in with Jump, which is this light pink shimmery, like more of a sheeny shade to be fair, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that like in this area. Open it up a little bit. I feel like the eye fold on this side is not as open as this side. I feel like it's more tight, so it's difficult for me to like press colour in there without bloody getting it everywhere. There we go, very pretty. So I'm done with all the colours in the warm-up palette. Now going to attempt doing some glitter. Oh my god, I'm really nervous. It's just so messy that it scares me. Right, where's the other? I like to put them back in their plastics. I don't know why. I hope the glue doesn't ruin my brush. Okay, so I think I am gonna go in with Inflamed, which is really pretty. It's this colour there. So let's look at this glitter glue instructions. Do they have any instructions? I guess you literally just apply it. I know you think I'm an idiot, like why do you need instructions for glitter? But I'm so intimidated. And I can't get into the damn thing. Oh, let me go up to the top here. It's because I'm opening it from the wrong end. Right. Nice little packaging there. Sleek. I think this is like £5. The palette was either £5 or £10. Can I use my finger to do it instead, or is that like, I want to see how it works with a finger. Okay, right, oh my god, not enough hands. Right, so I'm just gonna squeeze a bit onto my finger. It's like a beigey colour. Oh, is that too much? You have to let it get tacky. I might have to come back in. Maybe I shouldn't do 2 eyes at once, but I think I might have to come back in with some of the shadows just to blend, or try to blend. I don't know how that's gonna work. Right, do you work quick or do you wait for it to dry like lash glue? I'm not sure. Oh, does it need to be wet to pick up the glitter? Is this gonna work? Oh my god, it's so crumbly. Like when you pop it in, it's just so crumbly. Ooh. I guess you are supposed to apply it with the brush, like the glitter glue with the brush, because it's really difficult to pick up obviously without something sticky to catch it. This is so pretty. Can't imagine I'd do this all the time though. But I swear back in the day when I was a kid I used to wear glittery stuff all the time. But most of the time I'd find glitter for like years and years after, because it'd be crumbly off my face, and find it in my hair, find it in my toes, find it all around the house. Right, I can't do it very well, but it's really pretty. This is like, it's like a pink based product with green reflexing. I think that's the best way to explain it. I think it looks really gorgeous. And when I kind of mix it in the palette, oops, I'm going overboard I think. When I kind of mix it in the palette, it looks like the one that they say is like a gel. But I guess that's just because as I keep touching my eye, it's getting more and more wet with the glue or something. Right, I think I might have gone overboard because some of that pink's not turning magically green. So I'll leave it there with the glue. I hope I've done this properly. My brush seems to be okay at least, probably because I didn't actually put the glue on it. But I can see, like if I look up at my eyelashes like this, I can see glitter attached to it, which is annoying. I don't know how well I'm going to enjoy this throughout the day, but if it stays put, obviously, that's going to work. I wonder how eyeliner is going to go over it. So I might try eyeliner. But the complete shape, let me bring you in closer. The complete shape of the halo eye is like non-existent now. The glitter's completely eaten it. Oh my, it's pretty though. But I feel like I need a base shade underneath it because this one's almost too transparent. Like you can see, I feel like you can see my skin underneath it. I don't know. Right, that's pretty. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little bit and then I'll try and blend some of those darker shades back around the edges. But so far, I do like it. Yeah, I do like it. It's pretty, but it's just obviously something I'm not used to, so I'll have to get used to working with it. But it's nice to have something glittery for if I ever want to do something crazy for Christmas or something. Usually I just go heavy with shimmer or, I don't know, do whatever I want, to be honest. But now I've got options, haven't I? So that's always good. I just don't really like how this side's gone. It's like all crumbly at the side. You can't see it because the glitter's obviously, I think the glitter's defocusing me, but the glitter's shimmering a lot on the camera, so you can't see where I messed up. Maybe I'll be able to cover that up with the colours, but yeah, I'm just going to go in with them now. Just patting. It feels very uncomfortable to pat on top of, like I can really feel the glitter. Ooh, it's weird. Should I not have waited for it to dry to go over it? I don't know. Sort of getting some of that shape back. Might be this highlight back under here. Waist not want that. My nose is positively sweating. Okay, well I think that's it for that part, the actual eyeshadow. I don't know, I feel like I can really feel. Do you know what? I'm gonna get this thing that I usually use to brush away my eyebrows or brush up my eyebrows, but I'm just gonna kind of use that to try and get any loose glitter off of my lashes. I think that sort of worked. It was just on those lashes that were kind of glitter heavy. They still feel kind of heavy, but you can't really see any glitter trapped in there anymore. So I'm going to go back and use this palette, but just as a mirror, so that I can get quite close to you guys instead of over here to do my eyeliner. Just using one from Rimmel. I've had this for ages, I probably shouldn't be using it anymore. Glam Eyes. Do they still sell that? I don't know. So I'll just speed this bit up because it's boring. So I noticed that the glitter kind of makes it bleed. You see the eyeliner's gone higher. So yeah, it is still tricky to put eyeliner over it. I thought it might be a little bit thinner. I don't know, but it still feels like thick glitter. So, and I can already see a bit of it. Oh shit! Look what I've done. I already see a bit of it transferring is what I was trying to show you, but then I got bloody eyeliner on my eyelid. So I'll have to clean that up in a moment. Okay, my wings are never the same. I feel like it went on a little bit easier on this side, and that's the side that I was saying looks better than this side because I went a bit clumpy over it, didn't I? So that's probably why the eyeliner skipped a little bit. To get rid of it, I've waited for it to dry a bit. My wet wip's now completely dry, and I just sort of wiggled it back and forth. Colour's still underneath it nicely. I don't need to go over it with eyeshadow. Time for mascara! I'll obviously have to try some more of these glitter shades. They're all really, really pretty, but I'm sure they'll all perform in the same way as this one did. I'm assuming they all seem to be the same formula, I don't know. But yeah, in terms of other colours, the rest are really, really striking. This one I think I might like the most just because of the holographic duo-toned colour. But yeah, mascara, I'm using Soap & Glory's Thick and Fast High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara. See if I can pick up any more rogue glitters that are attached to my eyelashes. Just going to put a little bit of the Marc Jacobs highliner in Pink of Me in the waterline. My eye gets really watery when I do this, so bear with. Ooh. Why do I do this to myself? Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to live. There we go. Oh my god, see how big it makes my eyes look? Especially this one. Why does that look so big? That's really... Okay, that looks really asymmetrical. Wow, that's weird. Is it just me that think I look like that? Maybe it's just a glob of tear that's stuck in my eye that's making me look a bit strange. Anyway, that's it for the eyes. I'm now going to go in with Soph's lipstick in Fudge. I tried syrup in the other one, in the other video that I was testing some products out. I'm not going to get cake, I don't think, because it's too pinky. It's something that I don't usually wear. Might pick it up, might not. I'm not really in a fuss. You know what I mean? And this looks like one I don't need to line. With the other one, it's got Soph written in it. You probably can't see it. Here we go. I probably could do with a lip liner, to be fair. I thought it was going to be a bit deeper than this. It looks darker in the bullet. But I think I can still get away with it. It's so comfortable. But because it's so comfortable, I feel like it's a bit messy to get a accurate line. So maybe you might just want to use a lip line for that purpose. I like it, it's pretty. So this is the overall look. Let me get you into the light. I didn't want to turn my light on because it's so it's so orangey, and then my daylight is almost too bright for now. It's really strange. But yeah, I'm just going to take down my hair and put a top on because I've been in a sports bra all this time because it's boiling. I can feel my pits sweating out. Just so you know. Okay, so this is the final look. Another last note on the glitter. I am seeing it still transfer to the top there, and it's transferred a little bit down here. But do you know what? It's quite wearable. I'm wearing casual, warm, like chilled clothes today, and I don't feel like I look overdone. I feel like these glitters can be worked up to look showy and flashy. You can obviously place them differently if you want more of an effect like that. But I think I look quite wearable. Don't you agree? I think I look quite nice, yeah. Let me just take you once more into the light so you can see a little bit better. Okay, so I hope you can see a tad better. Maybe it's too bright now, who knows? There we go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you picked up one of these glitter palettes or all of them. If you did, just choose one. Let me know which one it was, how you're liking it. Would you recommend the other colours, I suppose? Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you in another video soon. Bye.